Before the war started, the Titans were in power, and Uranus was in charge of the universe. Uranus made his wife Gaia. Uranus imprisoned his sons, the Hecatoncheires and Cyclops, in Tartarus and guarded them with Campe. Gaia, wife of Uranus, asked Cronus to overthrow his father Uranus. Cronus overthrows Uranus, but before he becomes king, his father tells him that one day he will also be overthrown by his own son. Cronus became the world's first king, ruling over his siblings and fellow Titans to avoid the prophecy of his father. Cronus eats all of his children except one, Zeus, and imprisons the Hecatoncheires and the Cyclops in Tartarus. Zeus grows up hidden in Crete. He eventually fools Cronus into the vomiting up all his children. Zeus rebels against his father Cronus. Zeus kills the Campe and releases the Hecatoncheires and Cyclops. Cyclops made a thunderbolt for Zeus, helmet of invisibility for Hades, and trident for Poseidon. Prometheus and Themis are the only Titans to fight with Zeus. The battle between the Titans and Olympians lasts until 10 years. When the Titans were defeated, many of them, including Menoetius, were confined to Tartarus, but Zeus condemned Atlas to stand at the western edge of the earth and hold up the sky on his shoulders. After the Titans' war, Zeus and his brothers Hades and Poseidon decided to divide the universe into three parts. They draw straws to see who would rule over which part. Zeus drew the longest straw, so he was given the title of King of the Sky. This also meant that he was the head of the mortals and all the gods too. Poseidon got the middle straw, so he became King of the Sea. Hades drew the shortest straw, so he became the ruler of underworld.